Welcome back. The last day we learned about Django static in a very basic way, and today we are going to learn how to create a super user in Django. Okay, so let me break it first. And now Python manage py migrate. Okay, now we have to create a super user here. Py super user, create super user. Okay, username is Rafi. Let me leave it blank. The email address, password is 1234. 1234. Okay, anyway. Okay, so now let's run the server and let's check if it's working or not. Okay, we have to go to /admin, and now let's put our username here, Rafi, password. Okay, so it's working. This is our super user here. Okay, so that's it for today, and if you have any confusions in any part of this video, just go to ChatGPT and ask it. It will give you a detailed explanation. And if you want to join our Discord community server, the link is given below in the description. And until next time, happy coding.